Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends as a beginner support. Your primary goal is to protect your team's carries and control the flow of the game. Placing wards effectively provides vital map awareness, keeping everyone safe. Select champions that offer strong crowd control or healing to best assist your allies. Remember to build items that boost your team's overall utility and help you stay alive in fights. During the laning phase, focus on keeping your attack damage carry, or ADC, safe. Look for opportunities to poke and harass enemy champions when they step forward to last-hit minions. Strategic ward placement in the river and lane bushes is essential for preventing ganks. If your ADC is in a safe position, consider roaming to other lanes to help your teammates secure kills or objectives. As the game progresses into the mid and late stages, grouping with your team for major objectives like Dragons and Baron becomes critical. Maintain extensive vision control around these areas and in the enemy jungle. In team fights, prioritize peeling for your carries, using your abilities to protect them from enemy threats. Knowing when to engage or disengage is key to winning these crucial team battles. To truly excel as a support, learn champion matchups and understand when your chosen champion has power spikes. Constant communication with your team through pings is vital for coordinated plays and warnings. Adapt your item build throughout the game to effectively counter enemy champions and their strategies. Finally, practice with a variety of support champions to broaden your skill set and become a more versatile player.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.